Welcome to my video on the first astrophotographs I have taken with my Seestar S50. I recently purchased a Seestar S50. I got it from High Point. This is with the solar filter already on it because the first picture I'm going to show you is that of the sun. And it worked pretty good. All right, this is the sun taken on January 10th, 2026. That was my first image, and you can see one little sunspot right there. So that was just right out of the box. I set it up, did the level just on the ground with the tripod, and started taking pictures, and also took a video. Now the following night it cleared off, and I was able to take an image of Jupiter. This is the central planet, and then you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of the Galilean moons. I was not able to process the image to get some of the bands. I was hoping to see some of the band structure that's parallel to the plane of these moons, but I was not able to do that. That's going to take more work on my part to figure out how to do that. This is on the 4x power on the Seestar. You can put it at 1, 2, or 4. That's why I got the larger image here. And it's oversaturated, so I've got to work on that. Now this is the open cluster in Gemini, somewhere between Gemini and Taurus. It's just an open cluster of stars, hundreds of stars. And the reason I took this is not particularly impressive is because one day I want to go back and look at this. This open cluster M35 has a lot of photometry done on it, so I can determine exactly what my limiting magnitude is with my Seestar, because one day I'm hoping to get a picture of Pluto. I think that'd be kind of neat. So I'm trying to determine just how faint I can go. This was the 1 minute stack. This is the Horsehead Nebula. It's a 3-minute exposure. You can see there's the Horsehead right there. This is an Orion. It's a combination of dust and hydrogen gas. The reddish is indication of the glowing hydrogen gas, and this is the dust that's blocking the star light. And I probably need a much longer exposure to get a good image of this. For 3 minutes, I was fairly happy with that. This is M45, the Pleiades. It's a close-up. This one limitation of the Seestar, the field of view is very narrow. You're not going to see a lot of different stars and say something as large as the Pleiades, but it does show some of the blue nebulosity of the dust in the area there being illuminated by these hot young stars. And this just happened to be a satellite I caught, although that was kind of neat going through the field. Okay, this is the great Orion Nebula M42, and this was a 3-minute exposure. And you can see there's quite a bit of nebulosity that shows. I didn't post-process this in any way, so that's just straight out of the box. I was very happy with that. That's a nice image. It could be enhanced quite a bit. A longer exposure to give a much better image. I want to thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed seeing what I did on my first night out with my Seestar S50, and thanks again.